This is the Inspire Fitness FT2 functional trainer, and on paper, it looks like the ultimate all-in-one home gym. We're talking dual weight stacks, a built-in Smith machine, and enough attachments to replace an entire commercial setup. But here's the thing. After spending serious time with it, I realized there's one big trade-off most people don't think about. So, is this the dream home gym or just overkill? Let's break it down. Inspire Fitness FT2 Trainer Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the FT2 functional trainer from Inspire Fitness, a premium home gym system designed to replace multiple machines with one compact setup. Originally launched as a high-end solution for serious home gym users, it's built for people who want commercial-level versatility without leaving the house. The big selling point? It combines a dual adjustable pulley system, two independent 165-pound weight stacks, and a fully integrated Smith bar, all in one frame. This is aimed squarely at fitness enthusiasts, personal trainers, and anyone building a serious home gym who doesn't want to compromise. Inspire Fitness FT2 Trainer Performance. I used the FT2 for everything from chest presses and lat pull-downs to squats and cable crossovers, and honestly, it feels incredibly close to a commercial gym experience. The cable system is smooth, like really smooth. There's minimal friction, so movements feel natural and controlled, which is huge if you're focused on form. Now, the Smith machine is another standout. It glides on linear bearings, so whether you're squatting or bench pressing, it feels stable and predictable. That's especially helpful if you train solo and want a bit of added safety. Now, the dual weight stacks, though, they're super practical. You can do independent arm work without constantly reconfiguring things. But, and this is important, 165 pounds per stack might not be enough for advanced lifters doing heavy compound movements. Still, for most users, the performance is rock solid. It's consistent, quiet, and honestly makes you want to train more at home. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this thing special. First up, the dual adjustable pulley system. You can set the pulleys at multiple heights, which means you can hit almost every muscle group. The benefit? You're not locked in to fixed movements. You get total flexibility in your workouts. Next, the integrated Smith bar. This isn't just an add-on, it's fully built into the system. That means you can safely perform heavy lifts without a spotter, which is a game changer if you train alone. Then there's the included accessories, things like tricep ropes, ankle straps, and multifunction handles. It sounds simple, but having everything included saves you hundreds of dollars and makes setup super convenient. And finally, the compact footprint. For what it offers, it actually takes up less space than having separate machines. So if you're tight on room but want variety, this really delivers. Design and build. Aesthetically, Inspire Fitness nailed it. The FT2 has this clean, industrial look with a solid steel frame that feels extremely durable. Nothing about it feels cheap or flimsy. It's built like something you'd find in a high-end gym. The powder-coated finish helps resist wear and tear, and the cables are reinforced for long-term use. Even the handles and grips feel premium in your hands. That said, this is not a small piece of equipment. It's heavy, it's tall, and once it's in place, it's not moving, so you'll want to plan your space carefully. Pros. All-in-one design replaces multiple machines. Built-in Smith machine adds safety and versatility. Premium build quality that feels commercial grade. Cons. Weight stacks may feel limiting for advanced lifters. Large and heavy, requires dedicated space. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're someone building a serious home gym and you want maximum versatility in one machine, the FT2 is honestly a no-brainer. It's especially great for intermediate users, personal trainers, or anyone who values convenience without sacrificing quality. But if you're a hardcore lifter chasing extremely heavy numbers, you might find the weight stacks a bit limiting. And if you're tight on space or budget, this might be more than you need. For everyone else, this is one of the closest things to a full gym experience you can get at home. It's reliable, versatile, and built to last.